Hi everyone, welcome to my simple kitchen. Today we're making quite possibly my most popular dessert. These Sopapilla Cheesecake Dessert Bars are absolutely delicious and super easy to make. The best part is you'll probably already have most of the ingredients in your pantry. You'll start by adding 2 blocks of softened room temperature cream cheese and 1 cup of sugar into a large bowl. Mix that together using a hand mixer. It's important that the cream cheese is fully softened or you'll get a weird clumpy filling and nobody wants that. Once that's mixed, add in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And continue mixing that until you have a fluffy cheesecake-like filling. This is a great recipe for any party, potluck, or especially for Cinco de Mayo. Next, line the bottom of a greased 9x13 baking dish with 1 can of Pillsbury crescent dough. Spread it out so it covers the entire bottom of the dish. And pinch together any perforated spots so there's no holes. Then you'll pour in your cheesecake mixture and spread that evenly over the crescent dough. This recipe turns out so good every time and will have your house smelling absolutely amazing. Then top that with the 2nd can of crescent dough, stretching it so it reaches the sides as much as possible. Just like before, you'll pinch together any holes. Next, you'll melt a 1/4 cup of butter and pour that on top of the dish. Then brush the butter so it covers the dish evenly. To make your cinnamon sugar topping, you'll mix together 1/3 cup of sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Stir that together and sprinkle it over the melted butter. If you want more delicious recipe videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You're going to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the crescent dough is cooked and you have this delicious caramelized cinnamon sugar crust on top. This will have your whole house smelling so good. Let it cool for 15 minutes before serving, and the best part is this is just as good served cold the next day. Once they're cooled, cut them into squares or bars and enjoy. And consider checking out one of these amazing dessert recipes next.